The civil authorities have issued an immediate evacuation for Lynn OR, beginning at 10:09 p.m. Friday, August 4th and ending at 2:09 a.m. Saturday, August 5th. Wildfire alert from Lynn County Sheriff's Office. Level 1, be ready for possible evacuation from areas east, northeast, southeast of Mount Tom Drive neighborhood. Prepare to evacuate. Find resources at wildfire.org and .gov. Act early if there's any reason you might need extra time. Leave right away if you feel you're in immediate danger. If conditions change quickly, this may be the only alert you receive. If you are experiencing an immediate life safety issue, call 911. If you will need assistance evacuating persons with special needs and/or animals/livestock, call 541-812-9211.